everybody, have you ever wondered what happened to Pluto? Why is he kicked out of the planets list? Let's find out in this interesting quiz. Is Pluto a planet? It's not a planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet. So the most colorful one is Pluto. This is Mickey and this is the Aries. Two other dwarf planets. So is Pluto near or far from the sun? It's far. Earlier, Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of the solar system. Not the 3rd, not the 8th. How many essential criteria are there to be called as a planet? There are 3. So the first rule is the object should revolve around the sun to be called as a planet. Second is that it has to be spherical in shape to be called a planet. And finally, the area around the orbit of the planet should be clear to be called as a planet. So, Pluto fulfilled 2, but it doesn't have an area clean around it. So, the area around the Pluto is not clear, and it doesn't have a bigger it doesn't have some bigger celestial body, but it does have some thing in it. So the Pluto didn't have a normal orbit like the other planets in the solar system. So Pluto is the only planet that may have ocean hidden under its icy surface. So let's find out the dwarf planets. There are 2 options we can choose: Maki and its Aries. So the picture of Maki, if you even don't know how Maki looks like, you can still find out it is. So this is definitely Earth and this is definitely Saturn. So this must be Maki. So this is Saturn and this is Mars. So this is Aries. So this is what happened to Pluto. So, Pluto doesn't care about whether he's a planet or not. It's just you kids have to learn. Only the kids care about it.